From multicolored spiders to shining shores, our planet is full of some of the most exceptional and rarest things. Take a look at some of these marvels that may leave you speechless. Rainbow Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus teglupta, commonly known as the rainbow eucalyptus, is the only eucalyptus species found naturally in New Britain, New Guinea, Ceram, Sulawesi and Mindanao. As the outer bark is shed annually, the inner greener bark is revealed, which then matures and turns purple, orange and maroon. Blood Falls. The outflow of this reddish plume of water from the edge of Taylor Glacier in McMurdo Dry Valleys in Victoria Land, East Antarctica is a sight like no other. Scientists initially thought the red color was due to some form of algae, but later found it was because of the presence of salinity and iron that give the water its color. Almost 2 million years ago, the glacier sealed a small water body containing an ancient community of microbes, below a layer of ice that metabolizes sulfate and ferric ions in it to survive. Corpse flower. It is one of the world's largest and rarest tropical flowering plants, which grows only in the equatorial rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia. The flower emits strong odor, similar to rotten meat. Chinese lantern, found in China, Japan and southern Europe. The bloom of Physalis alcakenji, commonly known as Chinese-Japanese lantern, dries off during spring. As the outer paper layer dries, the bright red fruit inside becomes visible. Peacock Spider. Meridus volans or the peacock spider belongs to the jumping spider family and is only found in specific parts of Australia and China. These spectacular creatures are usually very tiny, no bigger than a fingernail, and feature different shades of color. Albino humpback whale. This albino humpback whale was first sighted in 1991 and is found along the eastern coast of Australia. Called migaloo, indigenous Australian word for whitefella, migaloo is a male and has shown signs of skin cancer due to the absence of skin pigment. Each year, the Queensland and New South Wales government introduce legislation for creating a 1,600 feet, 500 m, exclusion zone around the whale. Reflective salt flats. Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat at 4,086 square miles, 10,582 square kilometers. Salt flats are vast areas of land covered with salt and other minerals and shine brightly under the sun. Situated near the crest of the Andes at an altitude of 11,995 feet, 3,656 m, above sea level, Salar de Uyuni is a major tourist attraction in Bolivia. The Wave Arizona. Located in Arizona, USA, this unique sandstone formation on the slopes of the Coyote Buttes in the Paria Canyon Vermilion Cliffs wilderness is famous among hikers and photographers due to its colorful and rippling forms. Purple corn. Purple corn is a type of flint maize grown in the Andes region of South America and most commonly found in Bolivia, Ecuador and Peru. The kernels of the corn are often used to color foods and beverages. Underwater forest. Part of the 1,300 feet, 400 meters, long Lake Kandy in Kazakhstan's portion of the Tian Shan Mountains. The forest is located 80 miles, 129 kilometers, from the city of Almaty. It is actually a sunken forest that was formed after an enormous limestone landslide due to an earthquake in 1911. Glowing forest. The glowing forest of Shikoku, Japan, features a variety of luminescent mushrooms that emit lights, giving them a spectacular appearance. The mushrooms are usually found in clusters on dead stumps and logs. Shimmering Shores. The shimmering shores of Vadhu in Maldives are often referred to as the heaven on earth. The bright blue sparkling lights or bioluminescence are caused due to the presence of marine microbes, phytoplankton. White peacock. Found mainly in the grasslands of Australia and India, this majestic creature is a very rare species of peacock. They are albinos and the white color is due to a genetic mutation called leucism which results in the absence of pigment. Frozen air bubbles. This rare phenomenon can be seen at the Abraham Lake, which is an artificial lake on North Saskatchewan River in western Alberta, Canada. The lake was formed in 1972 due to the construction of the Bighorn Dam. It is famous for its frozen air bubbles underwater which are very popular with tourists and photographers.